Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by loosening the old tack. Pick a flathead screwdriver or seam ripper and position the jeans on a firm surface. Insert the tool under the raised edge of the back plate and pry slowly to avoid tearing denim. Use short, controlled motions. If the plate won't budge, rock the tool side to side to weaken the fit. Once the back plate lifts, pull the post free with pliers and remove any distorted fabric threads so the hole is clear for the new button. Next, prepare the denim so the new button sits flat. Trim stray threads and press the area with a low iron to flatten the weave. Thread the replacement post up through the hole. Make sure the post length equals fabric thickness plus seam allowance. Place the cap on the outside, align the back plate directly under the post on the wrong side, and hold everything steady. If parts shift, use a small clamp or your fingers to keep alignment while you get ready to set the button. To finish, place the cap side up on the anvil or a solid metal surface. Then put the aligned back plate on the underside and give one firm, controlled strike with the setter or hammer. The goal is a snug crimp, not crushing the cap. Listen for a clean click. Once set, test the button by fastening and applying gentle tugging to confirm it won't pull through. If it's loose or crooked, remove and reseat using the next size back plate or reinforce fabric before repeating.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.